right, here's another challenging one. We weaved it, so the little guys can practice weaving through the holes, and you can put all sorts of different things in here. If you want to do colors, you can put colorful objects in here. You can try and get the clothes out of here. How are we going to get that out, Ariel? It's kind of a similar concept as the elastic bands with a container. But let's see if we can, oh! Let's see, can you get it out? Can you pull it out? She's in it now. Are you going to get stuck in it? That's why it's tough with one hand on the camera. Okay, let's see. There you go, you got out. Now can we get the stuff out? Can we get this stuff out? Blue pants. What else is in there? We put some stuff in it. Let's see if we can get the truck out. Oh, there's a yellow one. Can you get the yellow truck out? Oh, you can put different containers in. Just watch their little hands are unraveling it. Have fun.